back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about HP EliteBooks Folios 1040 out here. A very interesting model out there in the market. Very interesting gadget, as well as you get to see that this gadget offers you great range of specifications along with we can say it is really interesting to know that this kind of a gadgets are basically designed for not just a household work, for corporate world also. We already know that HP designs mostly its gadget based on the corporate world, not the household work. So this is designed especially for the corporate world. And talking about this gadget, then we can say that it offers you Intel vPro technology. Along with that, you get to see it offers you trusted platform modulus 1.2 security chip system. So it's an interesting model. It's a very interesting thing to know that it is offering you a great range of technology platforms as well as embedded security out there. Along with that, if we talk about the operating system, then we can say that it offers you Microsoft Windows 7 professional kit out there. So pre-installed gadget or pre-installed Windows out there is nothing else but Windows operating system, and that too Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 7 Professional Edition of 64-byte edition. Talking about this variant, we can say that this offers a great range of specifications, great range of productivity. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a processing system or the chip system or the processor, CPU. It is of fourth generation Intel Core i5. Yes, it offers you Intel Core i5 fourth generation processor out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a good clock speed. Talking about the clock speed out here, then it offers you 1.9 gigahertz clock speed. Apart from that, it offers you a max turbo speed of 2.9 gigahertz, which is really a good version. 2.9 gigahertz is definitely a good variant. When we talk about these kind of variants, when we talk about CPU, when we talk about these versions, this clearly means that the speed determines the functionality, it determines the output out here. Along with that, when we talk about this variant, then it has got Intel Turbo Boost technology too. Intel Turbo Boost technology too could be seen out in this variant. That's an amazing version. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a cache memory of 3 MB with dual core processor. Dual core processor is seen out 3 MB store out there. So it is overall a good variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that not just the cache memory, but every other memory is also important. And when we talk about the other memories, then we can say that RAM and hard drive are the important factors. Talking about the RAM memory, then we can say it offers you an installed RAM of 8 GB. Offering you installed RAM of 8 GB is really important because you get to see a good variety, a good version out there. 8 GB RAM, and that to installed RAM is of 8 GB with a configuration. It has a different configuration, that is 4 plus 4 configuration. So you can have a divided configuration or less. So it can be customized. If you want more, it can be more. If you want less, it can be less. So customization option could be seen out in this variant also. Talking about the RAM type, what kind of RAM it uses DDR3L RAM type with a rated memory speed or a speed of 1600 megahertz. You get to see 1600 megahertz speed out there. Along with that, when we talk about this variant, then 8 GB is the maximum support size given to it. So you will not find any expandable or the more support size. So 8 GB is the maximum support size offered in this variant. So you have a single slot, we can say single slotted gadget it is with 4 plus 4 configuration out there. Apart from that, we can say that it offers you great range of storage in the hard drive, because hard drive plays an important role because it is the major storage part of every gadget. Talking about the hard drive, it offers you SSD type hard drive storage. So this will not help you in the spindle speed out because it is SSD type. And which form of SSD it uses? It uses M.2 out there, or M2 we can say. So there's a difference out there in SSD and HSD out there. It is a self-encrypted drive out there, so it will have a good storage, expecting that. But it offers you A good storage of we can say 256 GB. So yes, definitely it could be more, but definitely we can say with these kind of specifications and moreover we can say it is good version. 256 is not a less variant out there. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the harsh environmental factors also, because every gadget has to work in the harsh environmental factors, and HP makes sure that its gadgets are providing the optimum work and very good we can say output or the optimizations out there in the harsh conditions like vibrant tolerance. It should be shock tolerance. It should provide a humid range of products. So every kind of product could be seen in this. Now, when we talk about these variants, the first thing which comes into our mind is the display. Because display is something which attracts every gadget. Talking about the display, it offers you 35.6 centimeter display. Along with that, you get to see LED backlight display. So it is offering you a good screen size, offering you a good display out here. Apart from that, it also offers you a full HD display along with ultra wide viewing angle and NT glance. So you get to have NT glance, you get to have ultra wide angle, you get to have a full HD display or wide screen hai, अच्छी खासी technology use gave. Overall, the display is quite good. We can say that. There's LED backlight, full HD, ultra view angle, NT glance, TN technology, wide screen, good resolution. So everything is there. Now, when it has got a full HD resolution, everything is good. So multimedia is definitely going to be a very interesting part of this variant. So let us talk about not just the we can say multimedia part. We can say the overall part out there. So when we talk about this, then we can say the integrated webcam plays an important role. And when we say the integrated webcam, that it is connected with the graphic processor, because graphics plays an important role while we work on multimedia or any other output. So talking about the graphical processor, we can say that Intel HD Graphics 4400 is being used out here. So that is definitely a great version. Intel's HD Graphics 4400 is being used. A good integrated webcam, a capturing capacity or a resolution of 1280 into 720. Stereotype speakers, microphones out there. Stereotype microphones are used out in this variant. With a keypad offering you touchpad out there for gesture control, voice control, mouse controls out there with functional keys, arrow keys, everything is placed out. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you wireless connectivity, that is the Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity out there. You will not find any optical drive out there, that is the CV drive, read and write type. But definitely you will find out that it offers you uh, we can say it offers you a good range of other connectivities like USB 2 type, USB 3 type connectivity, audio input output jack, power jack, uh, SD card reader, pen readers out there. So these kind of connectivities could be seen out in this variant. Apart from that, it offers you a six cell lithium polymer battery out there with 42 volts charging. So 42 volt capacity is there. 6 cell lithium polymer batteries could be seen. So overall, it could be said as a great version. Now, talking about this version, let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, this is the website we were checking out, and we really love this website. This website offers you a great range of products in your favorite and pocketable rates. And we can say that this site just at click.com. Yes, site name itself is just at click.com. So you get to have your gadgets at your click in a very pocketable rates. Plus, this site offers you a option which is customizability option. You get to have customizability option. You customize your gadgets accordingly. So let us search about this gadget in this variant out here. And this search icon helps to search our gadgets in a very limited format. So this is the result, and we get to see that there are different models out here. So let us click on any one model so that we know about this gadget, work profile and everything. So when we click on any of the gadget, then we get to see this kind of a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom for each gadget, as well as we can see that there is a option that is customizability option is there, but this is a product type condition, so we can see that there is a condition written that is refurbished. Apart from that, you get to customize your gadgets if it is possible by the company also. If company has allowed for the customization option, then you can customize your gadgets accordingly. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first, so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about these refurbished products, or what is actually refurbished product all about, then, and what does refurbishing brand new products look like, so we are going to talk about that now. Talking about the word refurbished, when we say refurbished, then we can say that refurbished means creating something new, like, or creating something from the old things. Yes, like they are absolutely same as brand new. Their design is same, the structurality is same, even the functionalities, everything is same out there. So you get to see that they offer you same kind of we can say functionality differences out there. No difference out there actually. There is no much difference in refurbished and brand new. Now, when we talk about these two products, then what are the major differences involved in this? Because if they are structurally same, they are same in functionalities, they have same design, they have same testers, everything is same. Then why is a name given as refurbished, or why the word refurbished is introduced for that? Then we can say that the word refurbished is introduced because it provides, or it has a thing or a main difference out there, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? It is pre-owning anything. Initially, what happens in brand new products, they are pre-owned by the company itself before releasing into the market, so definitely company owns it. That is not pre-owned, that is owned it. Whereas once a gadget is released in the market, then it is being used by a new user, then it is called as pre-owned gadget. So let us talk about this marketplace also and how this pre-ownization works. Then we can say that there is a pathway followed out, which is the base, mediator, and the consumer out there. This is just like normal pathway, start to end. Talking about brand new, then we can say that company owns every gadget. Company owns it, so it is does this thing that it owns it, then brings out in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget. It provides you that kind of functionality. And when we talk about this kind of a gadget, then we can say that it offers you a great range of production. Now, how does it happen? It happens in the way like you have that gadget in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget's functionalities out there. You get to see that the gadget is in the marketplace with different pricing, everything is there. Then gadget is owned by any user, like us, we are the users. After that, what happens is this is the ending of brand new. Yes, brand new has ends there. What happens is that now the gadget is owned by a user that wants to resell it. So this is an extension of brand new. We can say there is an extension of brand new. Now it wants to be resold. So what happens when it is being resold? It is brought up in the marketplace. Yes, it is brought up where it has to be resold, and then it is sold to another user, a new user out there. Talking about this, then we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, they are extension to each other. How? How they are extension? Like we can say that when a user sells off their gadget, their pre-owned gadget in the marketplace, that is the brand new product till then. But once it is resold to that marketplace, it becomes a different product. The brand new ends over there itself when it is owned. So now there is a testing also done, because every gadget needs to be done in the testing format. It need to have a testing out there. So what happens is the testing has to be done for the brand new. If we talk about, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the testing has to be done in not other format, but in a simple format where the company tests this out, where sites test that gadget out. So you get to see different sites out there. But for refurbished or for pre-owned gadgets, testing has to be done in within the website which resells it. Yes, the site which we sold our gadget to, or which is going to resell that gadget, that has to test that gadget again. So this ends over the pathway out there. Uh, Talking about this pathways and testing out there, so let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally, if they are same, functionality is same, so testers out there has to be same, which determines their structurality, functionalities, everything. Talking about these structures, talking about structuralities and everything, then we can say that there are actually two major parameters which are divided or classified, that are external and internal parameters. Now, when we talk about external parameters, then we say the external parameters are the parameters which can be seen through eyes, which does not require any kind of software or any kind of gadgets out there, equipment, robots, that is not required out there for their testing. Like we can test out the scratches, buttons, placement of buttons, power, uh, jack systems out there, display, screen size, proper working on off buttons out there, timing out there. So these things which can be checked out through our eyes, which does not require any gadget out there. So this is what happens in the external parameters. Once it crosses the external parameter, it comes to the internal parameters, which are quite complicated, because these are the internal elements, and these elements require nothing else but a specially designed software for it, or equipments are there. There are few small gadgets devices or for any other things out there required for this. Once these gadgets are defined, like what kind of parameters it includes, so we can say that includes the internal processor out there, chip system, CPU, cache memory, RAM, hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, the spindle speed out here, the rated memory speed, the clock speed out there, even the connectivities, or we can say that every small big elements like graphic processor out there, graphical integrated webcam out there. So everything which is included out there is seen in this internal parameters. Once it crosses the internal parameters and external, it is certified as refurbished. But what would happen if it fails in any of the parameter, any one of the parameters? Then it has to be rectified. If it is, it can be renewed, it can be replaced. Then it has to be replaced with the original product itself. So once it is replaced with the original product, it is refurbished, it is renewed out there. It provides you a good quality product actually. After it is refurbished, it provides a good quality product, great servicing out there, a good to use product. But still, there are few benefits of having a refurbished product, because if you are talking about refurbished, then what are the major advantages of having a refurbished product? Number one would be the pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Talking about refurbished products, then we can say that refurbished products provides you a pocket friendly rate. They provide you a cost effective, pocket friendly, and a good to have gadgets in a pocketable rates. Because we know that brand new products are actually expensive. Once they are released in the market, they are quite expensive out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing out there, there's a difference in pricing, and there is not a major difference, but yes, there is a difference out there. So you get to have a savings also. You can have a great savings, because since there is a difference in pricing, there is difference in the conditions out there. So you get to see that there is a difference in the savings also for you. But we all know that brand new products comes with a warranty period. But do pre-owned gadgets offer you warranty period is a big question out there. So talking about the warranty period, then we can say that it comes with 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you great advantages out there, along with profitable rates, savings. So talking about this kind of product, let us talk about the website once again. And talking about the website, we are back at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. A very interesting website out here. The name itself suggests just at a click. So you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. As we already know that this website offers you customization option. We already know that gadgets could be customized, especially the laptops out there could be customized according to the needs. So it offers you customization option, as well as this site offers you COD out here all over UAE. Apart from that, you get to have an hassle-free shopping, since it's an online website where you can shop out there. So it's a hassle-free shopping nowadays. Along with that, free home delivery and money back guarantee along with online support system is provided out here. You get to have a delivery time of approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might take up to Saudi. But depending upon your customization, it might vary accordingly. For best pricing, check out the website out there, as well as you can visit out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.